we were here in Springfield visiting the Haitians and the Haitian businesses to show happiness, support, not just physically, but talk to them and know that we are here standing for them. We were just at Rose Good Restaurant, where we met a lot of out of state or out of town folks coming to show their support. People from all nations and all walk of life came in and showed their support. So again, we want to let everybody know if you want to really show your support, you can come to, if you're in Ohio, please stop by one of the restaurants or one of the markets here in Springfield, Ohio to show your support. Because whatever they're saying about Haitians, this shows it's not true.
My name is Heather Bowman. I am from Cincinnati and came up today to support a friend who's a pastor at a church and the Haitian members of that church. And we decided to come to the restaurant and have some Haitian food in support of the Haitian community here. And it is awesome. I know.
Have you ever been to Haiti?
Not been to Haiti, no.
This is your first time eating Haitian food?
So I've been to New Orleans several times. So I've had like the Creole food. So I don't know how similar or dissimilar that is. But definitely the first time I've been to a specifically Haitian restaurant.
Thank you. So how is it? Like spicy, like recommendation?
So I think they saw us coming because they put all the spice on the side for us. And, I didn't get a whole lot of spice. If we mix the coleslaw in, then it's like, I saw him.
I'm glad you said that. The coleslaw is actually called pickles.
What is it called?
Pickles.
Pickles?
It's spicy. It's made to go with the plantain.
I didn't try it. He mixed it all together, and he was crying and all of that.
Hi, I'm Danny Bowman, also from Cincinnati. I'm Heather's husband. I'm also up here to just support a friend, support this community in general. Something good here. And too much of the coleslaw with my pork. Really good. Spicy, very flavorful. Really, really pretty and good. I enjoyed it very much.
All right. Thank you for the time. Is there anything that you'd like to share? Like, recent event happened, or do you want to share at all?
Sure. We are super passionate about supporting in a marginalized community. And when we heard about what we saw on TV, just the ridiculous racist comments and the threats and the kind of crisis the community was facing here, we just wanted to come and show our support and our solidarity all immigrants. I wish we could do more.
No, you're doing just that. Your presence and your willingness to interview. I already say thank you. So
This is I'm so sorry. This is not thank you.
no, it's the thing about this is being a Haitian American is like always happens every election year. There's always something.
Yeah.
Whatever they want to say, but I know the true essence of being Haitian. But just for you to be here and knowing that's not really true,
Yeah.
it's a lot. That's all you have to do. You're supporting a Haitian restaurant. You support a pastor. Like, what way can you support? They just are here to support people too. Like, they're in the crisis, but it's both need each other. So, again, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you for the work.
Anything else you want to say?
And welcome to Ohio. So glad you're in Ohio.
Glad you're
Thanks
here.
for being here.
Appreciate it.
Glad you're making food that I love.